Hey everybody, Robert Rosenfeld from Techno Buffalo, literally hands-on here with the all-new Google Pixel 3 XL at the Google event here in New York City. Now stop me if you haven't heard this or seen this already. This is what's new from Google. Let me tell you quickly what is new on the Pixel 3 XL. So we've got a 6.3-inch OLED panel on this phone, a little bit bigger than the Pixel 2 XL. We've also got a 5.5-inch screen on the 3, which is going to be larger than the 5-inch screen we saw on the older Pixel 2 series. And we've got that deep notch. It is in fact there, it's on top, and you're going to have to live with it if you want to buy this phone. Obviously it's running Android 9 Pie out of the box, and not a whole lot has changed on the front. Obviously there's the notch, there's the chin for what Google says is 40% louder speakers, and you've got a very similar looking phone, though Google says you're getting more screen to body ratio on this 3 series than you saw on the 2. Let's take a quick look around back. As you can see, there's now a glass back that's going to support wireless charging. We've got a rear fingerprint reader mount on there if you want to scan your fingerprint to unlock the phone, and a single 12-megapixel shooter here. Again, Google's doing all their camera magic and software, not so much hardware. Still got a single rear shooter on the back. Obviously, again, running Android 9 Pie out of the box. And you got a couple of cool tricks here in software. Obviously, I've got a wider angle lens built into that notch, so you've got 2 lenses there to play with. So you're able to really adjust that volume, or that slider here in software, and get a much wider field of view and kind of zoom and compare, which is kind of cool. You've got a lot of cool software things in here as well. There's Top Shot that automatically picks the best shot. It'll take a couple of frames of pictures before and after you hit the press the shutter button, and it'll pick the best one for you automatically. There's a photo booth effect that you can literally say cheese and it'll take the picture for you. Lots of cool stuff built into the software. Powering this phone, we've got a Snapdragon 845 processor, 4 gigabytes of RAM. Obviously it has all those Android 9 Pie touch features on here as well. And you'll have 64 gigs or 128 gigs of storage to choose from. Available in black, white, and a not pink color. And of course, for more details on everything on this phone, you can check out technobuffalo.com. We'll have full pricing, availability, everything on there. This is just a quick hands-on. Phone feels incredibly premium, feels nice in the hands. That glass back is super nice, feels very premium. And this is the latest and greatest from Google. This is the 3 XL, feels nice in the hands. What are you guys' thoughts? Leave them in the comments down below. I'm Robert Rosenfeld from Techno Buffalo. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.